Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, you are going to fix your landing page so that it's not so absolutely atrocious. Now, this is going to be a challenge to you. I am not going to walk you through fixing your landing page because honestly, the landing page is a very personalized thing that needs to match your application. If I made a landing page, I could make a landing page that looked good for a comic website, but you're not supposed to be making a comic website. You're supposed to be making a website of the thing that interests you, of recipes or games or music or cars or sports or whatever the heck you want. So any landing page I made would not work in your application, if that makes any sense. And you've already learned how to do HTML, because really all the landing page is just some static HTML that points your users to your application, that makes your users excited about your application. That's the main purpose of a landing page, is to get your users excited about your application and make them want to use it. The only thing you are required to have on your landing page is a link that takes them into your application, a link that takes them into your index page. However, you need to make your landing page actually look good, make it look like something people would want to use. It's really nice if you can show off some of your functionality on your landing page, but that's not always possible. So here are a few examples of landing pages that I personally love. This first one is my absolute favorite, muzzleapp.com. Now before we go there, Muzzle is a Mac application that silences embarrassing pop-ups. Sometimes if you're on a Mac, I'm sure you've seen little pop-ups over here, little notifications. Now what Muzzle does is it lets you turn it on and it allows you to silence them in case you get embarrassing things. And this is demonstrated right on their homepage. I'm just going to let this play for a second so you can see it. This is absolutely fantastic design. This is a super simple landing page that has all these hilarious things over on the side that lets you know, hey, these are not things I would want my boss seeing. These are not things that I would want my family or whatever, or my client or whatever seeing. So it demonstrates the use case for this application. This is a fantastic landing page. This is all there is to it. You can't scroll. It doesn't go anywhere. I'm trying to scroll. It doesn't do anything. They're demonstrating why you would want their application, and it just has a simple link to download. That's it. So this is perfectly wonderful landing page. This is probably my favorite landing page I've ever seen in my life. Another excellent one is Khan Academy. I'm sure you've probably heard of Khan Academy. Except for this pop-up annoys me on websites. I understand from a marketing perspective why they do this kind of stuff. It just annoys me. So you go away. But this right here is absolutely amazing. This is a wonderful landing page. It has a little graphic here that is, this one happens to be interactive. You don't have to make yours interactive, obviously, but you can if you want to. But it has a little graphic that is engaging and fun, and it has for every student, every classroom, real results, kind of their tagline, tells you what they are, and then takes you with a few buttons to the important different parts depending on who you are. This is a wonderful landing page. They also put in a nav bar at the top. You can if you want. You don't have to. They've got more stuff down here that kind of details what it is and how it works, but I personally just consider this top part, this little hero, their landing page. So this is another wonderful example you could draw from. Another one I really like is Urban Influence. They've got a very simple landing page. It just has a nav bar at the top. It's got a little video playing in the background, and it has just kind of some flash stuff going on. So if you hover over it, you'll notice it changes. I'm not a huge fan of this whole flashing thing. I think they should fix that. But for the most part, this is an absolutely fantastic landing page. It's very straightforward, and it's engaging. And the last one, I'm just going to do a little shout out, is mine, which is kind of extreme minimalism. It's just black text on a white background that kind of pops up, and then over on the side you can scroll down and see the stuff. So this is a minimalistic approach to it. Really all that I'm looking for. I want you to do something like any of these. It could be as simple as mine, where it's just very minimalistic, but it gets the job done. It could be as advanced as the whole Khan Academy, which has the little interactive thing. It could be something hilarious and engaging like the Muzzle, which had all the little pop-ups over here on the side, any of that stuff. So go ahead, and that's what you're doing. That is your assignment, if you will, for this video, is to make your landing page not crap. As I mentioned, I'm not going to do this because it wouldn't really help, because, I mean, you'd have to make your own. This is a design thing. This is not a programming thing. You know how to do this. You just have to actually do it. So what I'm going to do in my code is I'm going to eliminate the landing page entirely and just redirect them to index. However, you're not allowed to do that because I'm a mean professor and I want you to get more practice using the tools that we're doing. So you have to create a landing page. Note that it does not have to be an amazing design. It doesn't have to be fantastic. This is not a design course, and I know some of you are great with design and some of you are like me and kind of suck at it. That's fine. It doesn't have to be amazing, but it needs to not be crap, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.